Hello there, my name is Jesset Cabrejo, and in this video I will pronounce English consonants, vowels, and diphthongs using one example word for each sound. So let's start. Consonant. Thick. For the word this. For the word bun. Red. She. Casual. Shoes. Jet. Song. Heart. Okay, now let's go with the vowels. E. Bean. E. Thick. Meth. Cat. Car. Lock. Sure. Foot. Moon. Fun. Sir. Ago. And finally, let's start with the diphthongs. A. Same. I. High. Oi. Choice. Ow. Loud. Go. Ear. Dear. Hair. Curious. And that was the consonants, vowels, and diphthongs. So next, let's start with the tongue twister. The thoughtful thief and the cheerful judge thought that this vision was unusual. She should share joys and sing strong songs near the shining bridge. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening to me. See you next time.